drop it in. You punch it.
That rolls up. Yeah. They're supposed to like. No, it's not. You're not supposed to need a hammer at all. It's supposed to be a hammerless system. It's supposed to fucking paint. It's supposed to just go like up, like this piece. But it's like sometimes it's fucking annoying.
It's not like sitting nice. Where's that? Do you have a hammer?
All right. Hope everybody's doing okay today. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. If you guys watched my last video, you probably realized the teeth on this link belt from doing that backfill and digging into frost. The teeth on this link belt is dire needs of replacement. So I went ahead and picked up some brand new teeth. Another thing you guys are definitely noticing right now are different colored teeth. Now, why are there green teeth? Why are there purple teeth? Well, let me tell you, that's because the machine actually has two different style of teeth that we have to put on. Sorry, the style is the same, but two different brands. Why in the world does the machine have two different brands of teeth on there? Well, everyone else scratches their head at that and has no idea what we're up to, but basically, when we originally got the machine, it came with Esco teeth, and it was this bucket, but it had 5 Esco teeth across. And now you can tell there's 7 teeth. So what we did is we had somebody, because we wanted the teeth to be closer together and 5 teeth were just too far apart for what we needed to be doing with the machine, and it was just a oversight at the time and a poor decision. But what we did is we had the 3 middle teeth cut out and 5 new shanks put in to make the total of 7 teeth, and then have them all a lot closer. The problem is we got the shanks for a different brand of teeth. I know the outside ones are Esco. The inside ones, I'm forgetting the name right now. They're like a cat style of locking mechanism, though, where you knock the pin in all the way. And yeah, so we had to. So now every time we change the teeth, I got to order 2 Esco teeth for the outside and 5 of the different style teeth. I believe it's the cat. I'm not 100% sure. I forget what the name is now. We didn't go about it the right way. Obviously, on our newer machine, the case, which you guys have also seen, that case, when we got it, we made sure it had 7 teeth and they were all the same teeth. I think that actually has Esco teeth, 7 of them right across the front. But so it's not the worst thing because it's not super often we got to change the teeth, but it's just one of those things when you do have to change them, it is a little bit of a pain, but it is what it is. Just so you're all clear on what's going on here and why we have these different colored teeth. Tap that one more. In the middle. Okay. Hey. Okay. And this one a little tap. Okay. Dodged like a cat. And there you have it.
Christmas colors.
Yeah,
or Portuguese colors, whichever way you want to look at it.
So I still delayed it.
Put this tooth here, and then put that red tooth over here. Portugal flag happening.
I know, eh? Little burgundy. But yeah, there we go. Brand new teeth. Ready to go.